Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed the matrices 3.1 exercise, some problems we discussed. Next, in today class, we'll continue the some more remaining problems is there. So that problems we'll discuss in this class. So problem number 6, already 5 problems we completed. Problem number 6, find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. Previous problems order based we discussed and construct the matrices we discussed. Now we know the equality of matrices. By that concept we have to solve these problems. So see here, given two matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal. When matrices are equal, compulsory order should be equal first. First condition is order must and should be equal. Second one, corresponding elements are must and should be equal. Corresponding elements are must and should be equal. This second point only will use for this solving the problems. So now you can see here how to write that one. Solution, problem number 1, given matrices are equal, then corresponding elements must be equal. What is the meaning of corresponding elements? Corresponding elements means first row first element, here first element, here also first element, compulsory equal. Corresponding means same position elements. So here by given, what we can write? I am writing here again question 4 3 x 5. Next one is y z 1 5. So compare just here. 4 is equal to what you will get? 4 is equal to y. Why? Because corresponding elements are equal. Next 3 is equal to how much you will get? Z you will get. Next x is equal to how much you will get? 1. 5 is equal to 5. No need to write. So now I am rewriting this one. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 4. Z is equal to 3. So this is the way of finding the x and y and z values when the two matrices are equal. Equal means corresponding elements must and should be equal. Order compulsory, in question only they will give order compulsory same. Remaining second condition will use for the solving the problems. Next, problem number 2 also I will explain here. Same condition we have to write. Given matrices are equal, therefore the corresponding elements must and should be equal. So here what are the corresponding elements by that one? X plus y. X plus y. This side first row first element is 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Next 2 is equal to 2. No need to write. We know already that one. Next 5 plus z is equal to 5 plus z is equal to 5. Second row first column. Second row first column is 5. Next xy is equal to 8. Xy is equal to 8. Right? Here very simple. This I will simplify first. Z is equal to 5 minus 5. Z is equal to how much you will get? 0. So already Z value we did. Now we have to find x and y values. We can do in different ways x and y values purpose. Y is equal to 8 by x. That value here substitute and simplify. That method also we can use. Or a plus b is there. A minus b we have to find. A minus b purpose, I will use that formula. We know that x minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. This is the formula. The relation between the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab we will write. So here xyz is there, xy writing. So simplify this one. Substitute and simplify. What is the x plus y? x plus y is 6. 6 square minus 4 into xy. xy is 8. xy is 8. Simplify total. 36 minus 32 is equal to 4. X minus y whole square is how much? 4. X minus y is equal to how much? Root 4 plus or minus root 4. X minus y is equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. So first you take as a plus. Second one take as a minus. Two equations will get. So I'll take this one as a equation 1, this one equation 2, this one is equation 3. I will solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2 I'll solve. 1 plus 2 I'm making. 1 plus 2. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 2. Addition making. Addition making means just cancel. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to how much you'll get? 4. Equation 1 implies x place 4 substitute plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to how much you will get? If you send that side, 6 minus 4 is 2. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to already we know 0, or one more option also there. One more option also there. How we will find that one more option? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Equation 1 plus equation 3. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Addition. So no need to change the signs. Subtraction making we have to change the signs. So just cancellation. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to how much? 2. Equation 1 implies 2 plus y is equal to 6. Here x plus 2 substitution. Y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0. Already we know. Either this one or this one will get. Both options is there for this one. Next. Problem number 3. Try yourself. How sir? You can observe here. Y plus z. Y plus z is equal to 7 you will get. The 7 substitute here. X plus 7 is equal to 9. X is equal to 2. Next, x plus z. X plus z. These two places 5 we can write. Y plus 5 is equal to 9. Y is equal to how much you will get? 4. Next, x value we know and y value we know. Substitute the two values here, or y value substitute here, z value will get. So writing is very very important. This condition we have to write and equate. And similar way, try this problem also. In description link I given the notes. Their answer is there for this one. Just answer. You have to find the solution. You try and check the answer in that notes. Next, example 4 I displayed here. Same like previous exercise 6th problem. So that comparison, just comparison, corresponding elements are equal concept. Find out the x, y, z and a, b, c, d values also. Here same very simple problem. In notes already I given solution also. Try yourself that problem. Next, problem number 7. Find the values of a, b, c and d from the equation. Same similar problem like 6th problem only, but I'll explain this problem. And example 5 is there one. Example 5. Example 5 also same method for ABCD finding only. So that example 5 you can take as a homework. So now I'll explain this problem number 7. Solution. First of all, given matrices are equal. Matrices are equal. Then corresponding elements must be equal. Corresponding elements must be equal. Order already same. 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. No need to think about the order. In question they are giving means compulsory they will give same order. without giving same order, how we'll find the ABCD values? So compulsory they'll give the same order. First condition satisfied already. Second condition based only will solve the problems. So direct I am writing corresponding elements are equal implies A minus B is equal to how much will write? First element equal minus 1. Next 2A plus C is equal to 5. Next one 2A minus B is equal to 0. Next one 3C plus D is equal to 13. 3C plus D is equal to 13. I'll take these four equations as a 1, 2 and third equation. This is the fourth equation. Why? Because I'll solve the 1 and 3. 1 minus 3 I'll make a B cancel, you will get A value we can find here easily. Just you can use any different way to find the ABC values. Solving the equation, lot of different types is there, but general type I am using here. So 1 minus 3 I'll make implies A minus B is equal to minus 1, 2A minus B is equal to 0. Subtraction making, when making subtraction, change the signs. My plus is there minus right, minus is there plus right, plus is there minus right. So now A minus 2A, A minus 2A minus A plus B minus B cancel is equal to minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Here A get minus get cancel, A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. This A is equal to 1, substitute in equation 1 or 3. Equation 1 implies A value how much we have to substitute? 1 we have to substitute, minus B minus 1. Minus B is equal to minus 1 minus 1. That side you send minus B is equal to minus 2. B is equal to how much you got? 2. A value we got and B value we got. And A value substitute here also. Then C value will get. 2 implies, equation 2 implies 2 into A. A how much we got? A is 1. So substitute here 1 plus C is equal to 5. C is equal to, if you send right side, it will become, sorry, here 2. C is equal to how much you will get? 3. This C value 3 substitute in fourth equation. Fourth equation what is there? 4 implies 3 into 3 plus D is equal to 13. D is equal to 13. That side you send minus 9. D is equal to 4 you will get. So A value is 1, B value is 2, C value is 3, D value is 4. Next, example 5th problem also. I displayed here question. Example 5 also. Same method. You try yourself. Next, problem number 8. A is equal to Aij matrix M by N is a square matrix if condition what? What is a square matrix? These are the multiple choice questions now onwards. These are also important problems. Like CET also this type questions maybe chance is there for asking. So first of all square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns. Here what is the number of rows here? M. What is the number of columns? N. M is less than N means it is a square matrix? No. M is greater than N? Not possible. M equal to N is there? It is possible. The given matrix is a square matrix. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Multiple choice question this one. First of all you have to know what is a square matrix. Then only you can easily identify the correct option. Next. Problem number 9. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pairs or matrices are equal? Just here equal right there, comma. These two pairs are equal when both are equal for x and y values. Which pair will satisfy the equality condition? So first we have to take the equal condition. Equal condition means what? I am not writing clearly here. Given matrices are equal corresponding elements are equal. So corresponding elements what? 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. 5 is equal to y minus 2. Next one, y plus 1 is equal to 8. 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. So simplify this all. 3x is equal to minus 7. That side if you send. If you send denominator, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Y is equal to how much you'll get if you send right side, left side. 5 plus 2 is equal to y. Y is equal to 7. Next here, if you take this side, 1, y is equal to 7. Next, minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 2. Minus 3x is equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel, x is equal to 2 by 3. Y values both same, but x values minus 7 by 3 and 2 by 3. Here options is there, x is equal to 2 by 3, that type options not there. So there is not possible. Not possible. And you observe here, y values same got, but x values two different we got. So that by that also we can tell it is not possible. Not possible. Next, problem number 10. Important question, multiple choice question. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry is 0 and 1. We have to construct the 3 by 3 matrices. Each entry is 0 or 1. So that means one example I am taking 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 by 3 matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next, all ones also you can take. Next 2 ones, 3 ones, like this different 3 by 3 matrix. How many we have to construct? Like this writing means it is not possible to find how many there. So by using the permutation combinations, by using the permutation concept, combination concept, we have to find this solution. Very simple solution. One mark question purpose, lot of times asked this type of questions, and CET type questions also. CET purpose also important these types. So first of all, 3 by 3 matrices is there. How many elements will be there in 3 by 3 matrix? Number of elements we have to find first. Number of elements how much? Number of elements is 9. 3 into 3 is 9 elements is there. So number of entries is equal to 2 entries is there, either 0 or 1. Only 2 entries is there, either 0 or 1. 2 entries. So 2 entries, 9 places. 2 entries, 9 places. Number of possible matrices 2 power 9. 2 power 9. You can take the example, tossing a coin 2 times. 2 square, 4 outcomes will be there. Here also 2 entries, 9 places. 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is option D. So we can't write 5 and 2. 512 matrices you can construct. No need to write that all things. Just how many number is asking. Number is 5 and 2. Very simple. 2 entries is there. 9 places is there. 2 power 9 is equal to 5 and 2 is answer. So by this problem, exercise 3.1 in matrices, first exercise totally completed. In next class, we'll continue with the new concept. Thank you.